scalp is always itching you, you are scratching it. Hi girlies, you're welcome to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel and you're welcome to my girly diary. I don't want to see you hitting your head outside in public. Like, it doesn't make sense. And that is why I decided to show you how to make a hair growth oil that will help your scalp, that will suit your scalp, that will help you retain length and also help you achieve massive growth. So if this is something you're interested, make sure you watch this video to the end. For our first ingredient, we have Moringa. Moringa is rich in zinc and iron, which helps to promote hair growth. Also helps to strengthen the hair strands because it is packed with protein and amino acids. Lastly, it helps to suit your scalp by reducing dandruff and irritation. Next ingredient is Neem. Neem is a powerful ingredient because it helps to get rid of dandruff. It soothes and moisturizes dry and itchy scalp. It also helps to reduce hair fall and prevents the growth of new hair. Neem is packed with fatty acids, vitamin E, which helps to revitalize, restore dry and unnourished hair. We all know that clove is very, very good. You can use clove to do anything. So clove is also good. It's good you add it to your hair care routine because it helps in blood circulation to your scalp. It boosts oxygen supply to your roots and follicles, which are the most important things for hair growth. Due to its antioxidants, it prevents free radicals from damaging your cell structure and control premature growing of your strands. Last but not the least, we have rosemary. Rosemary is known to promote hair growth, makes your hair stronger, boosts blood circulation, help control hair loss, relieves your scalp from irritation, and gets rid of dandruff. All these ingredients that I mentioned are good. They are going to help you retain length. They are going to help nourish your hair. Moving on to oils, we have the coconut oil. If you are suffering from hair loss, baldness, gray hair, you need to include coconut oil to your hair care routine because it is rich in antioxidants. It has antiviral, antimicrobial, and antifungal properties that will help to promote hair growth and just help your hair get better. Next up is olive oil. Olive oil contains antioxidants such as vitamin A and E, which can protect hair from damage caused by free radicals. Olive oil antifungal properties can also help to clear up dandruff. Because of the presence of fatty acids in olive oil, it can also strengthen your hair, making it less prone to breakage and damage. Lastly, on our ingredient list is the tea tree oil. Because of its antifungal and anti-inflammatory properties, it can help combat the yeast that causes dandruff and soothe itchy scalp. It can also help to remove dead skin cells and remove impurities from the scalp, creating a cleaner and a healthy environment for your hair growth. Next thing we're doing is combining all our dry ingredients and the wet ingredients together. So the neem, moringa, and the clove, we'll pour it inside a pan, then mix our oil and mix everything thoroughly. Because we are doing the infusion method, we're going to set this oil down for 3 days. You can leave it longer if you want, but 3 days is fine and you can start using. So 3 days later, this is our oil. I added my rosemary on the 3rd day. Then we're just going to head over and sieve. You can see what I'm using to sieve this oil. I'm using a mesh cap for hair. So you want to get something that is very tiny so that the particles will not fall inside the oil because you don't want particles inside this oil. If not, when you are applying it, there's going to be residue all over your scalp and you don't want something like that. I am straining this oil twice. You can go ahead and strain it as much as you want, 3 times, 4 times. Just do what works for you. Next up, I'm going to pour this into a container so that I can be able to pour it into my applicator bottle. And that's how it is. It's as simple as this. It's something you can do and you can use. It's very, very effective. This is our oil. This is the oil that I made. This is how it's looking, and this is water. First thing first, you are going to spray water on your hair. You need water. Water will help hydrate your hair. I don't want to see you using any product, whether your leave-in conditioner, whether your hair butter or hair oil. on dry hair. You must apply all your product on a damp hair. I did not say you should wet your hair. I did not say you should pour water on your hair. No, just on a damp hair. So first thing first, we're going to go in with water. We're going to sprinkle water. You need a spray bottle, something like this, so it will be easy for you to apply. Applying the ends of my hair, because I'm also going to be applying hair oil there too. Next thing, we're going to be using the hair oil, and we're just going to apply it to the scalp, just to the scalp. Here you have it. It's as simple as that. I apply this product 2 to 3 times in a week. You don't want to put so much product on your hair, even though this oil is not so thick, even though you still don't want to apply so much, so there won't be too much product. And we have moringa powder inside this product. So if you apply too much of it, the particles, that if you did not strain your own very well, like this my own, I really, really strained it very well. So there's no particles there. That's why I strain it twice. So if you can even go ahead and strain it 3 times, 4 times, just to get out all the particles out of it. So if you really found this video helpful, I would like you to hit the subscribe button. Yes, because tell me why you are watching my videos and you are not yet subscribed to this channel. You need to join the community so that we will grow together, so that we will learn things together. So please, I advise that you subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, and also don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section. Turn on your post notification bell and share this video. Yes, someone might find it very helpful. So share this video to your loved ones, to your friends, so that they will know that we are doing something great in this channel. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.